Your company had been to my home in the past a couple of times. This time it was a surprise of the product I needed, but I thought it was a good time. My roof was about 22 years old, ready for change out, and I was offered that and I just agreed to it. So there was a lot of support in that process with the financing and the salesperson. At first I was a little bit worried, but I'm like, okay, let's talk. And anyway, I was happy with the outcome. They did the whole thing in about 6 hours maybe, They showed up at the time they said they would. They had about 8 people on my roof at one time. Everybody was really lovely. Yeah, my decision making about which color to go with was a little bit back and forth. I did make a change and I really like it. I'm getting compliments in my neighbors saying, oh, that looks nice with your red brick, and so I'm getting good feedback.